Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off on the last one. Now, when we copy over video events, we're also going to copy over any effects that were added to those video events. And so let's see how we can do that. So we have our script that we've been using here, and all of this part remains the same. Checking to see the leftmost item. Then if we have no item selected, we show a message, then we create the new empty project, and then we go through all the tracks. And after we adding all the tracks, if an event is selected, then we go through and add the events. All of that is exactly the same. Nothing has changed there. The big change comes in this copy video event. We were already creating our new event, then we were checking to see if it was an adjustment event or a regular event, adding that in, and then if it had takes, then we were going to go ahead and add the media itself. And now we are adding this section, if event.effects.count is greater than 0. So if the original event had some effects on it. For each effect, EFF in event.effects, we're going to look it up. And so we get our plugin node FX, which is myvegas.videoFX, then another plugin node, which we called plugin, which we're going to do an fx.getChild by unique ID. And then to get the unique ID, we're looking at the effect that we're looking at, .plugin.unique ID. Now we want to create a new effect based upon that plugin, and we're going to, on the new event, in the hidden project, .effects.add, we're going to add that effect. If this effect is an OFX effect, then we already have the routine created called copy effect. We're going to send it the OFX effect for the new effect and the OFX effect for the old effect. And remember, our copy effect we used in our generated media. So it is down here. This is our copy effect routine. And we pass it the new effect and the original effect. And it goes through all of these types, as we said before, and copies them from the old one to the new one. So the new effect equals the old effect. So now on this event here, I have added an effect. We have the Vegas color corrector. You can look at the preview screen and see when I turn it off, you can see how it changes. So turn it back on, and that's what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and select these items again, and we'll run it. Now let's open the new project. And here is what it is copied over. Let's get over to this one. You can see it has an effect added on it. So let's get on this, and you can see if we look at the values here, they are all changed, and if we turn it off and turn it back on, you can see we are getting the same change that we saw on the original project. So as you can see, we can also easily copy any effects that are on a video media and get those copied over, and all the settings, we already had the routine written. So all we had to do was call it again with the new effect that we were wanting to change. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. Like, subscribe, and we'll see what else we can discover.